Hi, in front of me is REALME C3i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, go into clock. Now click on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on, and click at the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're done, select ring once or tap on custom. Then click on repeat and select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. When you're done, go back, choose alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. Then click OK on your keyboard over here and tap on more. Then you can click on the switchers next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable these features. Lastly, click on ringtone and tap allow. Over here you can pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click select from files and tap allow. Now you can select music from your device by clicking on the song and going back. If you want to save your alarm, click at the top right corner over here, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher and select turn off for today or do not repeat anymore. If you want to turn it on, just click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!